Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yesterday I told you that this is a very important level, okay, and you can see we almost met it. It went a little bit above, but it touched the resistance, and we know that the 0.618 was the Fibonacci level. You can see exactly it. As soon as it got it, it hit this resistance line, and then it just a sell-off came in because we had so much resistance in place right over here, 0.618 level. This, and then it just sold off. Okay. If we can see the market make a little bit of a reversal, Bitcoin can move up, then we can see this area getting broken, because this is a very important area for XYO, because you can see it's been just, I gave you this channel about, I think about 3 weeks or a month ago, like it was going to do this. And then this support over here, which is also really important. I'll tell you why. You can see that I told you this in my last video. It was making a like a bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and you can see it exactly when here. That's how I knew it was gonna come and hit this level actually. So, and you can just do this. So you can see, it went to the height of the left shoulder. Okay. I mean, these are just analysis, anything can happen. It might would have broken this yesterday, and then bulls would have stepped in, and price would have taken off, because we also saw the volume come in. Look at this volume. Now let's see what's going on with it. Okay, if we take this off and go to the hourly time frame, you can see that it's making something like another bearish head and shoulder actually, but this can be the neckline. Okay, and let's see, this can be the left shoulder, head, and right over here. Okay, so you can see this pattern. If you go to the 30-minute time frame, you can see it a little bit better, and you can see where the resistance is coming from, right over here. Okay, now if we break this, upside is coming, but that all depends on the market sentiments. If we, if this gets invalidated, then this is the target. I'll tell you what the target is if it gets broken to the downside. Okay, if it breaks this resistance, let me show you where this over here. Okay, if it breaks this level, let me just mark it. Okay, 0.39471. Okay, if it breaks this level, it's going to go back to 0.4499. Okay, now if it breaks this neckline, okay, then it's going to come down wherever the breakout is going to be. Okay, I'm not going to say it's exactly going to meet the price target, because anything can happen. Bitcoin is still deciding where it wants to go. So let's say if it breaks from here, then you have this target over here. But let's see, where is it in the daily? Do you see what I mean? Then it's going to break this neckline for the whole pattern. Okay, but I don't see this happening, to be honest. I still think that is going to consolidate somewhere here. Okay, and because this is a very strong support. Okay, because if this support gets broken, then Bitcoin has gone to 40,000. Okay, and a bear market scenario might take an effect. Okay, but overall, that in the hourly time frame, we need to break this resistance line in order to move upwards. Okay, but even if it comes down, it might consolidate for a bit and see where it wants to find its support. Like we had this over here, I'll show it to you. We had this head and shoulder pattern. Look, okay, and here, as soon as we broke this neckline, look, right over here, the market just took off. Okay, so same way, this was a bearish pattern as well. This was a bearish pattern, but as soon as the neckline was broken, it came down, it formed it, and then it just went up. Okay, so as soon as market sentiment change, even bearish patterns becomes bullish. Okay, once they break the resistance. Okay, but overall, this is what it is for XYO. Hopefully, we move to the upside because I think a lot of volume is coming in for XYO. Okay, guys, thank you so much and have a good day.